Alright, it's Mad Nation back on another video, and this was a sort of a variety pack opening. The first time I tried to code it out in Pro Pack and the music stopped, but we got some Pro Packs, so Elite Game Changer upgraded flashback, so campus upgrade packs, whatever. We're just gonna try to heat our luck up real quick with some Pro Packs. Devin Kennard, Michael Blockers, sorry if I pronounced his name wrong. Jason Word, and the Brickish off Ferguson. I'll take this large quick sale. See what we get. I'm gonna do a no look and see what I got at the end of the video. You guys seen it, I didn't. Now it says campus upgrade pack. This is a gold or better player. Then I'll do the elite player. We'll see what we get. Christian Michael. Go to slap him into the campus legend set. Now for this campus transfer pack. Sorry, my voice is kind of low. I'm laying down, I have a headache right now. But yeah. And also sorry for not sorry for not uploading for 2 days. I've just been busy with school and all the usual stuff. But here's this elite campus back. See what we get. 91 Will Sutton. Throw him on the team. I think we'll do a flashback because my luck with the flashbacks are usually hot garbage. So I wanna close my eyes. Actually, no. I'll look at the overall, just not the pool. Alright, before. Alright. Hopefully you guys seen it. Now for this Game Changer Elite Upgrade Pack. Hopefully I get something good out of this. I'm gonna cover it up all the way and let you guys see it first. And I'll see what it is after. Alright, let's see what we have. Let me see. Alright.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Rip open a couple Pro Packs. Like pulling Elite. Nope. I didn't want it to be an extra short video. Since it was only 10 packs, and I was kind of opening them fast. But, yeah. Because I saw it change.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Let's see here. What we pulled. Oh, wow. There's what we got pulled here. We are quick to go up. There's a 1K up. Let me get up. That's all I have for right now or today. Like, subscribe, comment, and peace.